Hi Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter. This is a twin flame summer reading for those who are in communication, even if it's just a little bit, and they will be coming into union. If you're not sure if this reading is for you, I do have another playlist for those who are in separation and no communication. You might want to watch both and see what resonates for you, but if I'm you, I will just stick to this reading. Okay. This is a really powerful reading, Aries. That's it. It's not gender specific. It is timeless and it's only Aries energy. In the description box below is information on my private services. My specials are out on my Facebook and Instagram. There's still a bit of time left for the November specials that you can use. My links are below. You can get them there. And please like, share, and subscribe for me. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate your support on that so that I can improve my channel for you. Let's see what's happening, Aries. Aries, you are on fire. You are a fire sign, but this is a lot of fire. I must be honest, I have not seen such powerful fiery energies for quite a while. Maybe not even, yeah. Now I have not seen energies like this recently. Um, Anyway, let's see what's going on, Aries. I do pick up on a cross-watching energy, so you're probably cross-watching for a Aries, but it doesn't matter. First card that came out was the Ace of Wands. And the Ace of Wands, yes, is that brand new beginning with the one, but obviously also Ace of Wands is a highly intimate card. It's that sometimes it's called the phallic card. I don't like to use that term, but this is a lot of passion. This is extreme passion. You are feeling really strong about this twin flame or soulmate of yours. There's a lot of passion. You want that new beginning with them. And I feel a lot of intimacy, strong intimacy here coming through for you, Aries, in regards to this twin flame or soulmate. For some of you, this is a new person. For some of you, this is definitely a new person, but it could be a new beginning, obviously, with someone from the past. That is also coming through for some of you, so it's going to be different for different Aries. For some of you, this is a return. You have returned, or your twin flame or soulmate from the past have returned to you, and the passion is just over the roof. Okay, and for some, I feel this is the real twin flame or soulmate that is just come in for you. It's a brand new person, and the passion and the fire and the desire and the intimacy is just out of this world. This is your true love, Aries. Whether this is the person from the past or whether this is a new person, this is your true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. That is how you feel. There's no doubt in your mind. This is what you've been waiting for. Whether, again, this is the person from the past, the twin flame or someone you've been dealing with, or this is someone brand new. This is it. This is it for you. All right. And then the Queen of Wands came out. Again, that fire energy, that Queen of Wands, she's sexy, she's seductive, she's sensual, she is beautiful. She really takes really good care of herself. She's got extremely high values and standards. She just shines when she walks into a room. All eyes are on her type of energy. She's kind of out of reach to most, out of your league kind of an energy. And you might be feeling like this Queen of Wands right now, very confident in yourself, very strong, very sensual. That passion is just absolutely dripping from your soul. Here, I feel with this Queen of Wands. But this could also, I feel this also represents your person. You feel your twin flame or soulmate is actually kind of out of your league. And you are just feeling very powerful to actually be able to be with them. Yeah, Aries. Obviously, the Queen of Wands is the fire energy, so this is your energy, but I feel like your person might be very popular, may attract a lot of attention and a lot of people, but he or she is that out of your league type of a person, very high standards, very confident in themselves. The way they carry themselves is just really high valued woman or high valued man that is really famous in the community or really very popular, and you are with this person, you are having a new beginning here with this person, which you absolutely feel is your true love, and I feel you are just on fire. You are on fire with this person. And as I said, for some of you, this is the twin flame or so much from the past. You are having a new beginning here, and it's really passionate. There's so much passion in this connection. They might be a fire sign too, but doesn't matter. There's just this extreme passion in this connection. It's just out of control, over the roof type of passion. And your twin flame or soulmate, as I said, it could be someone, it could be the person from the past that is returned to you, or you return to them. But this could also be you feeling that connection of a past life relationship, like you've known them before, even though you just met, kind of a thing. I do pick up, for those that I'm channeling here for today, but take it as it resonates, that this is a brand new beginning. This, with a brand new person, and you just absolutely realize this person is your true love. It's going to be the romance of a lifetime. The passion is just over the roof. But even though they are new, you feel that sense of home, that sense of familiarity with them, like you've known them forever, kind of a feeling. And obviously, because it's a past life relationship, but again, for some, this is a return. This is a return of the person from the past. And then the lovers. And then the lovers come out, Aries. What more can I say? This is the ultimate love. This is that true love. That is that unconditional love. This is the twin flames in paradise coming into union, making that final commitment to spend their lives together. And you can see they are fully locked in one another's embrace, and like everything else is just disappearing around them. And this is how this person is making you feel, like nothing else matters, only this love. You are being devoured by this connection, this passion, this love that you're feeling towards this person. You want that commitment. You are absolutely committed. Your heart is committed here. Whether this is a new person or the person from the past, you are committing to this in a really big way, Aries. And again, the passion between the lovers is just out of this world. There is no stronger passion. And I've got the Ace of Wands, I've got the Queen of Wands, and I've got the lovers here. I've got the true love, I've got the past life connection, which is a very powerful, strong connection, and then I've got the passion card. That says, allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. This person is making your heart and soul to sing with joy. The passion is just out of this world. You just want to sweep this person, this twin flame or soulmate, off their feet. Just want to really suck into that passion with them, get intimate. Passion. That is it. There is so much passion, but not only passion. There's the love as well, with the true love and the lovers. Yeah, there's a very strong love. There's a very strong passion, extremely strong passion, and that sense of being home, that sense of knowing, really deeply knowing this person, even though you might have just met. All right, this is really beautiful energies. You are so on fire here, Aries. I'm going to leave it there because I'm feeling this energy so strong. Remember to check the description box below. for information on my private services. Get my specials on Facebook and Instagram. There's still time for November left. And hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, it's right over here at the bottom. And help me get to that 1,000 subscribers so I can improve my channel for you. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Aries.